What's up everybody, in this video I'm going to show you how to change the easy way a manual transmission fluid. I already have a video on how to do it the other way, but now this is going to be an easy way to change it. So the first thing we're going to do is we are going to look for our transmission name. As you can see here, transaxle F5M41, that's my transmission name. With that name I'm going to search for it on internet, and I'm going to see what type of oil I need to put in and the amount of oil that we need to put in. So that's gonna be easier because we are going to have the exact amount of oil that we are going to put in it. So we are going to use that measurement just to put the oil in, and that's it. So for this manual transmission I'm going to use this oil right here, and for this transmission we need to put 2.1 liters. As you can see, this quart is in milliliters, so we need to convert liters to milliliters. It's easy because the first thing we're going to do is to take out this part of the intake. You only need to take out this little bolt and this little bolt. This bolt I lost it, so I have this thing, so yes, we need to take out this, and this is the first thing we're going to do. Now I'm going to go onto the car and show you what bolts you need to take out. So the first bolt we're going to take out is this one. It's gonna say oil right here. I don't know if you can see it, oil. And the second one we're going to take out is this one. This one is where the oil gonna go out, so be careful with that. Okay, I just take out this bolt and this one right here. To torque this, the torque is 24 foot-pounds. So I just put the drain bolt, I torqued it already. Now I had the funnel here, as you can see, in the fuel plug, and here's the oil that I take out from here. Now I'm going to put the new one. So I just finished putting the new oil. I just need to put the fuel plug to 24 foot-pounds. Remember, the back one, the drain plug, is 24 foot-pounds, and the fuel plug is 24 foot-pounds also. So yes, that's all you need to do to put new oil with exact measurements. So this is the oil that I take out. You can see it's dark. So yes, that's everything for the video. Remember to put this thing of the intake. So yes, I hope you like this video. Like, comment, subscribe, share, and see you on the next video.